you're out of ideas on how to attract your customers to purchase your course, this is it. If you are hosting your online course in Kajabi and not getting as many sales as you wish you would, you've got to check out newest Kajabi feature called Course Paywall. Hi there and welcome. I'm Nadia and I'm here to shed some light on all things digital products and systems for your online business. In this video, I will walk you through the process of setting up a course paywall so you can give free access to your customers and then prompt them to purchase your course. Course Paywall is the feature in Kajabi that allows you to give free access to your paid course so your customers can preview it, get access to a couple of modules, get to know you better, your teaching style, and then once they hit the certain module, it will prompt them to pay for the course. This way, your paid course can actually act as a lead magnet. And by the way, if you are not using Kajabi yet, but you are kind of liking all of the features and you wanted to give it a test drive, check out the link below under this video that will give you a 30-day free trial as well as access to my special bonuses. If you're already using Kajabi and need some support with it, like you need somebody just to answer your specific questions, check out my Kajabi Thrive Club. I've created this space for online business owners just like you to help you tackle all of the tech hurdles when it comes to Kajabi. So without further ado, let's get to it. Okay, first, before we start using the paywall feature, we need to enable it in our course. For that, you will need to navigate to the settings of your course, and it can be any course that you already have in Kajabi. Click on the settings and then scroll down and find the paywall, and then toggle on this feature, add a paywall to this course. Now, down below in the paywall offer, choose the one that's the offer that you already using. So that's how currently your customers buying the course, right? But now it will act as an unlocking offer to get access to the rest of the content. Go up and click on save and then go back to the outline. You will see this purple line that appears. That's the actual paywall. Now, the cool thing about it is that it can be placed really anywhere you want. At the end of first module, fifth module, whatever module you want. The only difference is that you cannot place it within the module. So it has to be the end of a module, okay? So it cannot be inside, like say, in the middle of module 2. So when you work with your course, make sure to structure it the way you want it to be specifically for paywall. In this specific course, I have 5 modules. So I will be placing my paywall just right at the end of the first module. I can also add more lessons to it if I wanted to. If you want to give preview to more lessons, like say like from module 2, you can always move those lessons to that specific module. Otherwise, I'm just gonna keep it at the end of module 1 for now. Now, let's go ahead and preview and see what it actually is gonna look like. Now, when you click on preview, it will give you 2 options. You can preview as a full course, as a full access or limited access. Full access is pretty much that's something that you most likely already seen. This is what people or your customers see when they purchase the course, right? So we will be looking at the limited access preview. So now I know I have a paywall at the end of the module 1. So right here, of course, it's not visible to customers and it looks like they have access to the entire thing. However, you will see that next to the module, you'll see this little dollar icon right there. That means that's the paywall. That's where it stands, okay? So if I were to be a customer, so like I got access to the free preview, right? The module 1, and I go through the lessons and I go in lesson number 1, number 2, and then number 3. And once I'm ready to actually move on to the next module, a pop-up window will appear. Here's what we need to do. One little thing that we need to do in that, and that is customize this little window. So for that, go back to your product, to your course, and click on customize. And you will see, let's go back to the post, and then you will see that there's a paywall tab on the left hand side. Click on that and toggle on the editing view. Now, as you can see, it's the same with our customers currently see. Again, not too exciting. So what we're going to do is actually add some information to it. I already went ahead and added some, so I'm just gonna go ahead and click on show. So what I did here, basically I am adding some information like, you know, what's included, what kind of modules they're gonna get access to. I am also adding a video where I can like talk to my customers and kind of show them all of the things they're gonna learn in my course past the paywall, past the free content. Okay, so I'm gonna leave it there. And also as an option, you can actually use the same purchase button, just change the language if you need to, or if you want to send them to actual checkout page, then you can use a call to action. Again, it's just gonna have a different look, but the bottom line, it's more of a personal preference. Again, if you are using call to action, be sure to uncheck the box where it says show purchase CTA. If not, just keep it simple. Just do not use the call to action. Have this one open, say purchase, you can say buy full version, and then make sure to uncheck this box so it doesn't appear on every single post, so every single lesson. Click on save, come back to your preview of the course, refresh, and then say you want to go again. Somebody's trying to click on, say, module 2, right? And it will show them, okay, this information is locked. You do need to purchase if you want to move on. And then once they click on buy full version, they will basically see a pop-up checkout where they can complete the purchase, and it will open up the rest of the course. Now, there's a small caveat that you need to do to change on your sales pages or anywhere where you advertise your course, and that is the link to your preview or free access to the course instead of pay for the full version. And here's how to do it. When you go to your offers, so you go to sales and then offers, you will see that another offer has been automatically created. It's called the limited access. Just click on that. You can change the title if you wanted to. You can say free preview. It's up to you how you want to title it. And what it does, you will see that the price for this offer is free. And all you need to do here is to make sure that your checkout page is customized. Just like we did it in this video above, make sure that you check it out where I show you how to customize the checkout page, or even this video for more advanced customization of your checkout pages. Make sure that that page is customized. And all you need to do after that is to swap the links for the paid version with the free version, the free access to your course. And again, this could be a great way for you to attract new clients, or even those who were on the fence of buying the course. You can say, hey, now you can preview, like say module 1, module 2, and then decide whether or not you want to move forward. So what are your thoughts on this new paywall feature? I think it's a great way to attract your ideal clients. Use it as a lead magnet and simply let your audience get to know you better. That's it for this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next one.